Who are Bridge Classic Cars?
We are fabricators, painters,
trimmers and classic car technicians.
We are photographers,
Marketeers,
accountants
and project managers.
we dare to try that never been tried before.
We transport you back to those special memories with your classic car.
The sights,
The smells,
the sounds fill you with nostalgia.
We preserve the cars that made you stop and stare as a child.
restored to be enjoyed by the next generation.
We use highly skilled traditional methods.
we bring our trade into the 21st century.
with innovative and engaging digital content.
We make classic car ownership accessible through our hugely popular online classic car competitions.
We bring together people of all ages.
To share our passion.
We have developed our own zero-fee classic car sales platform.
We reach millions of classic car enthusiasts across the UK with our video content and weekly live streams.
We are constantly evolving and adapting.
We make your dreams come true.
We are perfectionists.
Artisans, innovators. We are Bridge Classic Cars.
Why everybody's looking at me now?